better at this. Hello again, Phil at QV Dent Free. Today we've got a massive big long crease from here all the way over here on this X-rail door. Glue pull to start. We'll use these dead center crease killer tabs, one after the other along the length of that crease. So I only want to get that metal started to move. I don't want to yank on it too hard. That's one round of glue pulling there. We've used the crease killer tabs from one end of that crease to the other. It's a very, very rough start on the repairs. I'll bring you in, let's have a look at what we've got here, and then I'll move into refining. And there we have it, massive dent repaired on the door of a Nissan X-Trail. Owner should be thrilled with the results we've achieved here, especially given the fact that we were able to do it within a single day. I think I'm getting better at these videos. Definitely let me know if you want me to keep doing them. Thanks again for watching, I really appreciate it. I'll see you on the next one.